you believe in the magic of light? Hi guys, we're Studio Banana Things. A couple of years ago, we launched the Ostrich Pillow to help many of you nap at ease. After some creative snooze, we're back on Kickstarter. This time, we aim to light up your life. Time to glow. As busy bees on the go, we tend to carry our lives in our bags. But their insides can be very dark and messy. We waste so much time locating stuff that we thought, wouldn't it be great to make finding things easier, brighter? Introducing the Kangaroo Light, the perfect companion to illuminate your bag. Flexible, lightweight, and playful. Its sleek design and interactive glow are the results of months of hard work with the Studio Banana Things team in collaboration with the Innovation Quarter of Bangor University in the UK. Kangaroo Light comes with built-in, long-lasting battery. And the best part is, you can use it in so many other ways. You decide. The possibilities are endless.
This is Cubio, the most compact laser engraver for everyone. Connect to your tablet or smartphone. It's easy to place Cubio, ready to work. Cubio delineates your sketch and makes it come true right on your desk. Cubio engraves on wood, leather, craftboard, paper, and many other materials. It can also cut off models from paperboard or felt. With Cubio, you can decorate your home, personalize your belongings, style your place all yours. Have fun with your ideas. Have fun with Cubio.
Introducing UO Smart Beam Laser, a lightweight 2-inch cube that can do so much. Simply connect with your phone. Watch your favorite videos right on your wall. It's focus-free, so take it with you wherever you go. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy 150-inch screen theater right in your home. My life with UO. UO Smart Beam Laser.
First up, we have the Above Tech stylish aluminum stand. This thing is very simple looking, doesn't have the craziest design, but it serves its purpose very well. You can fit up to a 4 to 11 inch tablet or phone inside of the clamp, and you can place it on your desk beside your monitor to act as a second monitor. On the bottom, there's 4 rubber feet which help prevent scratch your desk, And of course, you can adjust the position by moving it up or down to whatever feels best for you and whatever viewing angle you want as well. You can get the above text stylish aluminum stand in white or black, and the top part actually comes off and allows you to place another little accessory on top where you can actually put your camera on top. So if you use a camera on your desk and you have a wide lens, you can speak directly into it using this tablet stand. The tablet stand retails for $40 and can be bought on Amazon. Now, if you're not looking for a tablet stand for your desk, you can get one for working out. Now, this is not for outdoors, it's for indoors only, but you can use it on the treadmill, the elliptical, or even the bike. Anything that has a handlebar on it, you can wrap it around. It has about 62 stops, and you can place a tablet or phone anywhere from 3.5 all the way up to 12 inches.
If you need to clean your iConvert scanner, it's really simple. Let's show you how. With the iPad docked in the scanner and the app open, tap the settings icon in the top right-hand corner, then tap Clean. Hold the roller cleaner with a stopper strip facing down and insert it into the feed slot. Tap the Clean button on the screen. The roller cleaner will be pulled into the scanner and halted by the stopper strip, allowing the roller to spin and clean itself. When the roller stops spinning, pull the cleaner back out, then tap OK. To clean the lens, power off the scanner. Hold the lens cleaner with the fabric side facing up into the exit slot of the scanner. Slide the lens cleaner back and forth a few times. You've now cleaned your iConvert scanner and you're ready for action. If you have any other questions about this or any other scanner that we carry, feel free to check us out at brookstone.com.
This is Capture. It's a clip that clamps to any belt, strap, or bag and carries your gear. We made it because this sucks. And so does this, this, and this. Capture is for photographers, adventurers, thrill seekers, parents, urbanites, hunters and birders, and travelers. Your gear, wherever and whenever you need it, so you can go further, do more, and miss nothing. Capture. One clip, a few plates, and endless options.